What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Happy Thanksgiving. And I'm thankful for you, the Making Easy Money audience. I hope everyone is currently enjoying a wonderful Thanksgiving dinner while watching this video. And just a quick poll. What city and state you're currently watching this video from? I just want to know a quick geographic of the current audience. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, drop those comments in the comment section below. Now, what we came to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is SYM. I do feel as though that this thing is ready to see a slight turnaround here back towards those $26 levels. And even better news for all you ACHR shareholders out there, this thing has set itself up for a prime short cover here on Monday's trading. Stick around, guys. You may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video, because the likelihood of our $9 price target being reached and breached before the end of the week has gotten much greater. But wait, there's more. We may even see a double-digit share price before the day is over with, which can ultimately put us in a gamma squeeze situation for next week. Now, before we get down to the brass tacks, I just want to remind everyone out there, as you all know, Christmas is right around the corner, and we're having another giveaway. As you all know, we have given away a MacBook in the past, as well as a Xbox Series X, and this year we're going to be giving away $1,000. First place winner will receive $500, while second place winner will receive $300, and third place will receive $200. And the best part about this all, it's totally free to enter. How to enter the giveaway? Well, number one, watch the video and look for the random number that pops up. Number two, comment entry and your Twitter name. Do not include the number or you will be disqualified. I repeat, you will be disqualified and you will be blocked from commenting on any further videos. And number three, share the video on Twitter and tag me and DM me the number. Okay, you can enter once per video until Christmas Eve, and the more videos you watch, the better your chances. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is SYM. As you all know, major retracement here on Wednesday's trading, but a major short selling day, which can ultimately cause a short cover wave depending on the price action that we receive here in tomorrow's pre-market trading. With that being said, if you were a part of the Discord, then you actually caught the SYM alert in real time here yesterday for the entry price of $22.70. We alerted that right before lunch, ladies and gentlemen, right before this run here. And as you guys can see here, we did actually reach and breach our $24 plus price target, labeling that a swing trade. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that SYM is headed towards those $26 levels on a rebound due to a highly chance of a short cover wave taking place here. If we take a brief look and check out the capital trend, as you guys can see here, we do receive that net inflow in favorment. Now, looking at the day chart, as you guys can see here, more covering than shorting went on. But if we take a brief look and just check out that total short volume, this is incredibly high for a SSR day, should I say, for you to only be able to get those short orders filled during a uptick. It wasn't much uptick here for SYM throughout the trading day, which means those short positions was taken in bulk. But if we take a brief look and just check out that total, coming in at that 2.98 million in total short volume, that is incredibly high here for SYM. And the reason why this thing did retrace, ladies and gentlemen, is because someone made a mistake on the financials. All right, and that is the type of mistake that can actually derail the upwards trajectory of any company. Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, Apple, you name it. If any of these companies make that mistake that SYM did, ladies and gentlemen, everyone will see that exact same result. That is why I feel as though that this is just going to be shareholders reacting to that, and we're going to see a bounce from a result of a short cover. Of course, not only that, SYM isn't a bad company at all, okay? Just made a mistake. And with that being said, shortly before that mistake came out, we were getting price hikes here for SYM. Another great sign. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, be looking for SYM to make a turnaround. This drop in price is ultimately offering a great buying opportunity for a short-term gain. All right, I do feel as though that we may be seeing those $34 levels here in SYM before Q1 2025 is over. But ACHR, on the other hand, its short cover chances are looking much greater here. Just looking at the short sell analysis from Wednesday's trading, a healthy short sell ratio of 13.39%. And like I told you guys before, anything that is above 8% is considered an aggressive short selling day. And seeing as though that 13.39% came in ACHR on a day that the markets were pretty darn terrible. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, ACHR is showing momentum to keep this thing going.
Well, damn, I wish you would started with that point, because that's all you had to say, Woody. Woody, that's all he had to say.
But that's not all. If we take a brief look and just check out the capital trend here from Wednesday's trading, a lot of shorting went on. In fact, much more shorting than covering, and these are numbers that we haven't seen in ACHR since the rally has begun. With that being said, looking at Wednesday's after market price action, ladies and gentlemen, if we can actually open above that 854 here, then any short positions taken throughout Wednesday's trading day is more than likely going to end up on a forced short cover situation right around the open. And again, that is why I'm telling you guys, don't forget to get over to the home page and set your notify me bell so you will be notified for tomorrow's live stream, which starts the last 15 minutes until the open. So basically, guys, we're going to start this thing at 8:15, 15 minutes before open, and we're going to run this thing for about 2 hours here for tomorrow. So again, guys, make sure you get over to the home page, set that notify me bell so you will not miss out on tomorrow's live stream. And like I said plenty of times and have shown you guys, Fridays tend to be my best trading days. So with that being said, if you do want to check out ACHR opened with us, make sure you get over to the live stream. Now, far as what to expect here tomorrow, like I said before, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that ACHR stand a very great chance to actually see that short cover, like a 90% chance, especially if we do see the adequate buying pressure here in the pre-market. And that is very important, because if we actually drift below that $8 levels, around that $8.04 levels, if we drift below that, ladies and gentlemen, the ball is now going to be in shorts court, which is ultimately going to give them even more leeway to hold on those short positions, thus kills our short cover situation. Now, if the short cover situation actually takes place, looking how big and massive these numbers are, ladies and gentlemen, this short cover can take us to the promised land, and that promised land is beyond our $9 expectation here for the end of the week. It's the double-digit share price. And like I told you guys before, double-digit share prices make great for a gamma squeeze situation due to the options chain is much wider. With that also being said, ladies and gentlemen, if we take a brief look and check out ACHR's gamma squeeze situation, it is building up for the exact same day for GME. January 17th, okay, as you guys can see here, huge open interest here for January 17th at that $10 strike at 19,000, but the numbers get much larger than that, ladies and gentlemen. If we take a brief look and check out here, shorter numbers closer towards expiration, as you guys can see here, this expires in 16 days, 2 weeks from now, and that delta is starting to get a little high. But it seems as though that the ACHR gamma squeeze may actually take place before January, ladies and gentlemen, especially if we do enter those double-digit levels here this week. Currently, right now, ACHR has more momentum than GME, and it is quite obvious. Expectations here for tomorrow, I do feel as though that we stand a very great chance to see levels between $9 and $10.50. So with that being said, if you do agree with anything I said in this video, can you please do me one big favor and leave a thumbs up on it? It really does help the channel grow. Also, consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on any of my alerts in real time.
May the games be with you, my young Padawan.
What are you waiting for? Click the video on the screen to be notified when Friday live streams start.